Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301861. And this is a 2023 Ford Edge. And our color is black. So let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. We've got power windows, mirrors, locks. Got our interior and exterior lighting control, traction control. Steering wheel features hands-free, stereo remote controls, cruise control settings. We are satellite radio ready, electronic and dual climate control, USB ports, dial shifter, parking brake, auto start stop. And our interior color is black and tan. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a full bench seat, the USB charging port, and a 60/40 split. Somewhere in there to give you a bit more room. And we've got 18-inch Ford rims, got a rear view camera, all of our cargo space with a rubber floor liner. And there you have it, guys. Stock number 301861. You've just checked out this black 2023 Ford Edge. Thanks for watching.